Like it?
No,
Why?
too low. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Color interior is good, huh?
Yeah.
Green. Nice. Good job.
He's coming, he's coming. Showers.
Alright guys, so we are taking this SF90 right back to stock. What we're doing, so we're doing the wheels, putting the wheels back. We are doing the putting the wheels back. We're also doing springs, original springs, stock springs back on there. And that's it for this one. Let's see what else the customer has in store. The rocker more.
He wants to just
Help me myself.
Helping yourself?
Yeah. Oh, this one because
Oh, they're messed up.
they must have the rockers, so we have to remove it to
Fix it?
yeah fix it and
Is it bad?
shouldn't clear and put it clear bra again. He wants a clear bra. You can do over here. You can do over here. Black, line black, green, red.
no man, why? Just take the bottom, click on it.
Over here because over here is cracked. There's the button. The button over here is black already.
It's too hot.
Show!
Because it's too fucking hot.
So we have to match the rim colors. Okay, we have the Pura Sangue over here in 2025 in this beautiful color. This one is something small job. We have ordered that just the tire. And
Two.
we have,
Two.
Where
The
is
b-
the
the
other
back.
one? I didn't see your tire, bro. So we have to order the 2 tires. We ordered the tires. This tire gonna be over here Monday for sure. But we need this as soon as possible. It's lag, bro. It's lag.
thought it was open.
Don't try to open.
Show the interior.
No, why do you need to see the interior when you're
Nice.
gonna work just on the tires?
It's nice.
Just tires. No. Don't,
yes.
Don't sucking around. Hey, it's nice inside.
Yeah, I told you.
You can do it from here.
Look. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Look, Ferrari. Ferrari in the back. All seats Ferrari, oh boy. And then we have a carbon fiber, all carbon fiber interior. Yeah, all
Nice.
pieces. Yeah, look at this. Venom kit for this one too?
For Monday.
No, don't tell me that.
Yeah.
Well, we have a one over there is waiting. That one. This another
Soon.
one. Soon, we're gonna have another one on the street. Second one, right? So there's gonna be a second one. If everything goes good, we're gonna have another one, and then another one, another one. Ciao. What's up? Órale pues. That's it. Oh my God. Yeah. So we have to fix the two.
All right, we have this beautiful Jaguar XK. All right, so we have a we're gonna check the alternator system. Alternator lights on. Let's see what's happening with the car. Usually when that happens, it's not charging. We gotta check and see and make sure that it's only an alternator issue. So let's see what's going on with this one. We are leaving.
Going to Jack in the Box.
That's what I hammered.
Take me to Make It Ease. Going,
Are we good?
keep going, going, keep going. As we go forward. Hey, you're good, you're good. Reverse,
What is this?
all the way left. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All the way left. Keep going.
We have a 2025 Rolls Royce. No, I'm kidding. Lamborghini Revolto with the Duke Dynamics kit here. And this one, customer obviously had it for a while already. Really common stuff when you have a car this low. The lip got busted a couple times. Sorry, my voice is kind of low. It's bad. I've been sick for like 2 months. I got like a TikTok diagnosis. They're calling it like rhinovirus or something. I don't know.
What the heck?
But no, besides that, took the PPF off. Thank you. Took off the PPF. We're gonna re-clear, epoxy the broken part, obviously, fix the carbon, and then re-clear the whole front lip. And that's about it for this one. There's not much else we can do.
It's almost ready.
Forgiaro.
Pajero. Yeah, that's the best rim in the world.
That's the best. That's the best rim. He was trying to say the world. He said that's the best rim in the was.
In the was. That's the best rim in the was. Why do I have to repeat whatever you say?
You should put it on.
I need another one.
Put it
Another
on.
one?
I need another one. Yeah, this one's all already. I bet you.
No, you're gonna mess up my hair.
It's better with. Hey,
What hair?
you can use this one like with
What?
Peluca.
With?
Peluquín.
With hair?
Yeah, this.
He said wing.
Yeah, you wick hair. I don't know. Wig. You can use your wig hair. Perro. Perrito.